Pablo Marlo Magtibay here at nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Baker Hall sa University of the Philippines, Los Baños sa Laguna. Nandito tayo ngayon para saksihan ang 11th edition ng LBCon, ang pinakamalaking comic convention sa Southern Tagalog at bilang bahagi rin ng UPLB Feb Fair. So mapalad tayo na nakapasok dito sa tulong at kortesiya ng mga organizers ng naturang event na ito. At samahan nyo kami na pasyalan at saksihan ang iba't ibang mga kaganapan dito sa LBCon sa loob ng Baker Hall sa UPLB Los Baños, Laguna.
Government response to the COVID-19 pandemic. My comments express the sentiments of my fellow Filipinos. So our voices can be heard, and so our people will never forget the truth. Last July of 2021, I created an artwork called Community. The design was based on the closed-fist images that President Duterte popularized. But this time, standing upright with a new message for my fellow Filipinos to stand out and register for the 2022 elections. The response was groundbreaking. Community inspired fellow artists, creatives, and regular people to create their own personalized community art, encouraging the public not just to vote, but to rise up for their own advocacies and causes, and stand strong for truth and justice. Toymakers and merchandisers also use the community design to raise funds for underprivileged and underserved groups and sectors. Even outside the Philippines, a human rights festival in Taiwan also used to. Now, the son of former dictator and President Ferdinand Marcos won the 2022 elections through an expensive and expansive disinformation campaign that slandered not only the opposition, but also distorted historical facts to portray the dictator's regime in a positive light, changing history and the consciousness of the Filipino people before our very eyes. They have started as one comic campaign called Truth and Justice, but it has evolved, turned into a movement to remain steadfast in our stand for truth and justice in this disturbing and troubling time. To believe is proof that comics can help create a better future and change the world.
So, simulan natin ang pamamasyal natin sa buong paligid ng LBCon event area, particular dito sa tinaguriang Baker Hall dito sa UPLB University of the Philippines Los Baños sa Laguna. As you can see, dito pa lang yung Freedom Wall ay puno na kagad ng mga messages. Dito pa lang sa Freedom Wall ng LBCon ay puno na kagad ng mga messages. Kung kaya lang natin maka-identify ng mga messages yan. Pero siguro kung bibigyan ako ng pagkakataon, baka wala nang space. Puno na agad ang Freedom Wall. Yung iba creative, yung iba talagang very fancy. Talagang nagsingit sila ng mga words as they can. Pero sige, try natin makasingit ng isa. Sige, ayan, so yan. So patunay na yan na yung si Anime Kabayan nandito at sa wakas nakatungtong na din ng LBCon.
Konnichiwa everyone! Watashi wa Hashisara Chuki, aka Luna, and I am dressed up as Cruel Tempest from Owari no Seraph. And asan ba tayo ngayon? Nasa UP Fair po tayo. We are here in Albicon. And I am from Coscom and napagtas po tayo ni Kuya Marlo. Where is Kuya Marlo, by the way? Kuya Marlo is nowhere to be found. So, may task ako na i-interview ang mga kapwa kong mga cosplayer. So, come with me. Let's go! So, ito, ang una kong nahigit. So, hello, this is?
Renzo ko, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Capuyo, Laguna.
And you are?
Cosplay as Kakashi Hatake. I'm currently 23 years old.
Nice! So, how's your experience so far in this Albicon?
Fun naman. Kasi first time ko makapag-cosplay comic event dito sa LB. Nag-comic pa po ako yes.
Oh, that's really nice. So, how is your experience cosplaying in general?
Fun naman po. At least na po-portrait ko yung mga characters na napapanood ko or nalalaro ko from video games.
Really, that's nice. So, that's all for the interview. Let's go to the next one. Oh my God, ang bigat. Wait lang. Sorry. This is the next one. So, you are
Burial po.
from?
Recently from Genshin Impact po.
Oh, nice. So, how long are you doing the cosplay?
Ano po, simula po nung December 2022 po nung Cosmancery.
Why did you started cosplay?
Na-inspire po ako sa other cosplayers kasi gusto ko yung anime. So, napagsig ko why not try it too? Ayun po, for the last years nag-cosplay na din po.
So, how's your experience here at Albicon?
Sakit pa pero po. So far maganda po tayo pong talented artist. Maganda po yung moods.
So, that's all for the, let's go to the next one. So guys, look what I found. Isn't she pretty? So what's your name, where are you from, and how old are you?
My name is Suri, and I'm from Las Bañas. I'm 24.
Oh, hindi halata guys. Anyway, how's your experience here in Albicon?
I just arrived and I feel so overwhelmed. Pero meron na akong nabili na mga keychains dito.
Namumudal ka talaga, no? Anyway, how did you started cosplaying and who inspired you?
I started cosplaying when I was in high school. And what inspired me? Just watching anime.
That's all for Let's go to the next one. So guys, dalawa yun ako. Hindi lang isa, dalawa pa to. Anyway, state your name, age, and where are you from?
I am Kay from, ilang taon na ako? Wait lang. 23 po. I'm from San Pablo City po.
Hi, I'm Cez, 22, from San Pablo din po. Oh, mga kababayan pala to eh. Anyway, how's your experience here in Albicon? Napagod ba kayo sa biyahe? Masyado bang malayo? Matraffic ba?
Ay, taga dito lang naman din po ako.
Ay, doon tayo talo te.
So, okay lang po. Naglakad lang po kami. Nag-jeep, ganon.
Ako din lakadin ko mula San Pablo papunta dito, be.
Nag-jeep po ako galing sa Pablo.
Ayan, magkasama kami, be. Anyway, ayun. Kamusta naman ang experience nyo as general sa pagka-cosplay, and how did you started cosplay? Sino inspiration nyo?
Inspiration? Hala, parang wala lang. Trip-trip ko lang. Ganun po. Oo. Tapos wala lang. Natuwa ako mag-cosplay kasi nakikilala nila yung character ko. Ganon. Tapos nakakadawa din yung feeling na na-recognize nila ako. Tapos nagpapapick din po sila.
How about you?
Actually, hindi lang ko po siya para mag-cosplay. Tapos ayun, same sentiments. Natuwa po na may mga lumapalapit. Tapos nakaboost ng confidence yung
Part ng pagiging cosplayer ang pag-boost ng confidence ng bawat isa tsaka ng self natin. Anyway, that's all. Let's go to the next one. Oh my God, wait lang. Napagod ako. 4 sila, guys. Okay, so first, real name nyo or cosplayer name, age, and kung taga-saan kayo. Kasi ikaw muna.
Hi, I'm Maya Balidoy. I'm cosplay Momo Ayase from Dandadan. And I'm 22 years old.
Wait lang. Paano?
Dito. I'm Rep from Las Bañas, Laguna. I'm cosplaying as Ocaron from Dandadan, 22 years old.
How about you?
Hi, I'm Jazz. I'm originally from Cebu, studying in UPLB. I'm cosplaying as Sky from Valorant. My name.
Hello, ako po si Aki. Galing po akong Antipolo and I'm cosplaying as Kenta Kakura.
So, that's a lot of information guys. Wait lang, ipaprocess ko muna. Anyway, ayun. Kamusta naman ang experience nyo so far sa UP Fair and especially sa Edvicon?
Sa Elbicon, napapagastos na. Wala nang perang pang-uwi.
Nabubudol sila guys. Nagaya na sila sa akin.
Masaya lang kasi post-Valentine date kasi to.
Okay guys, dun tayo na. Uwi na ako. Charis, bawal. Anyway, ikaw naman.
Ano po, ngayon lang ako take time to experience the fair and kasi busy with preparations for February. So ayun, masaya naman at nabudol ko mga tao.
Nabudol. Grabe guys, pabudol na kayo. Anyway.
So ako, sobrang saya ko kasi nandito yung mga flashback. So matagal na ako sa bumili ako ng book 3 nila.
Lahat sila guys nabubudol. Anyway, it was nice meeting you all. So, very, very good cosplay. Lalo ka na guys. May pakrap pa siya.
Sir, bakit si Sakamoto yung yung pinortray mo? Kasi noong pinapanood ko, suot ko itong t-shirt na to. Like, oy, kaya ko naman to ng cosplay. So, binili ko na lang yung iba't ibang parts sa Shopee. Tapos, kinosplay ka na lang. Ayun. So, anong impression mo nung napanood mo yung anime na yan? Parang okay na adaptation siya. Kasi, binabasa ko naman yung manga. Kaya, pinafollow ko yung anime na rin. Do you think yung portrayal mo bilang Sakamoto, yung pinaka-simplest na cosplay na nagawa mo? For sure. Kasi ito lang yung na-cosplay ko ever. So, pinaka-simple. Although, feeling ko kaya ko pa na iayos ko pa to kasi hindi pa puti yung buhok ko. Ayun. Yun lang. Pero kaya pong i-improve yan. So, anong impression mo nung si Ninong na ipinotray yung sarili niya bilang Sakamoto? Okay naman po. Wala akong masasabi doon. So, thank you very much as a good sport at magandang portrayal ng Sakamoto. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. With me right now, si Makima. Sa mga characters ng Chainsaw Man. Okay, bakit si Makima yung pinili mo i-portray for today?
Kasi favorite ko talaga yung Chainsaw Man. Si Makima talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko na character sa lahat ng anime na panood ko.
Oh, yun. So, how's the feeling of being here dito sa Elbicon?
Actually, medyo nakakapagod. Pero na-enjoy ko naman kasi dahil ko nakikita ang artist na pinapakita yung work nila. And nakaka-enjoy lang talaga na makita yung interactions with the other cosplayers, yung picture.
Yun. So, speaking of cosplayers, anong impression mo naman doon sa mga kapwa mo cosplayers na umattend for today's event?
Actually, ang ganda kasi walang nagja-judge. First time ko talaga mag-cosplay ng ganito. So parang medyo feeling ko welcome ako here.
First time mo?
Yes po.
Okay. So, ang dami mga first timers dito. So, thank you very much as a good sport and enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, kasama din natin si Eunice na dadat natin dito sa Elbicon. So, what character are you portraying?
Actually, like, ano lang siya, OC ko, minate ko lang siya by myself.
Ayun. So, what's the feeling of portraying as an original character?
Feel like a brand new person.
Yeah. Ayun. So, how's the feeling of being here dito sa Elbicon? First time mo pumunta dito?
Not really. Yung first time ko is yung last year.
Last year pa. So, what's your impression of returning dito sa Elbicon?
I want to know cosplayers.
Madami yan. Yung iba kasi nasa labas lang.
Kaya medyo late nga lang kami. Kasi dami pang ginagawa.
So, siyempre kasi bukod dito sa Elbicon, maraming ganap dito sa labas naman, which is yung sa Fair. So, yun, enjoy naman dito.
Yes.
Yun, thank you very much at hope to see you next time. So, kanina nakita niyo siya na nag-interview ng ilang sa mga cosplayers. So, Chucky, how's the feeling of interviewing your fellow cosplayers dito sa Elbicon?
Actually, it's a dream come true. Before I was like a kid, I want to be a newscaster, like, even someone na nag-interview ng talk sa TV. Ngayon, I had the chance somehow to experience how to interview people, how to communicate with them, even with eye camera.
Yun. So, anong impression mo naman dito sa pagdalo mo sa LBCon?
Actually, it's my first time. Thank you po sa inyo at sa pag-invite sa akin. Then, thank you po to sa mga nag-sponsor sa akin for ano. And this event is such a good event. I will attend the next one for sure.
So, what we are looking forward sa iyo sa mga in the next coming weeks pagdating sa iyong cosplay journey?
So, guys, I have Roku for Saturday. I'll be like, secret muna kung sino ako sa Roku. Then, I have Otaku Fest on Sunday. Then, tahimik muna yung buhay ko after that kasi kailangan ko mag-focus. May midterms na kami.
So, yun, Chuki, at thank you very much sa pagsama mo sa amin. And thank you din sa pag-convince namin sa iyo na mag-interview ng ilang mga cosplayers. At hopefully, hindi itong una-tuloy pagkakataon na gagawin mo yun para sa amin. Thank you very much. It's such a good sport din interviewing with the fellow cosplayers. Thank you very much.
Thank you po. I enjoyed it and sana maulit.
Thank you. So, ayan ang mga naging kaganapan dito sa LBCon sa loob ng Baker Hall dito pa rin sa University of the Philippines, Los Baños dito sa Laguna. It's been a whole day well spent sa lahat ng mga nandito, especially yung mga talagang dumayo talaga dito sa UPLB para masaksihan ang isang bahagi ng February Fair dito sa UPLB. At this point, maraming salamat sa The Graphic Literature Guild para sa pagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa amin na masaksihan at mai-cover ang naturang event na ito. At syempre, salamat din kay Officer Chuki sa pag-asama sa amin at makapagpanayam ng ilan sa mga cosplayers na aming dadatnan dito sa LBCon. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga bubuo ng LBCon. Again, itong unang pagkakataon na nakatungtong kami sa naturang event bilang bahagi ng February Fair dito sa University of the Philippines, Los Baños, Laguna. And with that, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. For more content, like and follow CM Media PH on Facebook. At mag-subscribe lamang po kayo sa Anime Kabayan YouTube channel. Like and share. Ring the bell also. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkita mula dito sa Baker's Hall sa University of the Philippines, Los Baños, Laguna. Ako po, si Marlo Magtibay. This is CM Media, bringing you stories we like to share. We are logging out. Maraming pong salamat sa pagsama nyo sa amin.